What's going on, guys? It's Sunday morning. You know what that means? Just like any other day, baby. We got to make this money, man. You see it on the screen. D5 bids. Today is the day, man. August 30th, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. That's about what, 7 o'clock Pacific? But anyway, 10 o'clock tonight, man. You already know. You've been waiting a week, days, months. It's here. D5 bids tonight, 10 o'clock. Let's go over a couple of things right quick, man. Then I added some features on it. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. That don't get you excited? I don't know it will, bro. Now, you know one thing that caught my eye? Then I check this out. You can hit like, now this is just a prototype, but link. 350 link. How much money that is, bro? You could bid on that. Regular cash, USDT, SXP, EWT, Slink. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, ETH. Imagine bidding on 5 ETH, bro. Imagine bidding on 5 ETH. Now, hey, you bidding against people, so I'm saying what the price could be. They're like eBay. 5 ETH right now is about $2,000. Imagine you can get that for about $1,200. You see what I'm saying? Like, bro. And the best thing about it, let me show you. The best thing about it, man, it's the staking reward. Look at this right here. I'm going to the good part. When someone places a bid on an auction, 35% of that bid will be sent to the stakers. So when you get it on the pre-sale and they start the staking, you get the bid tokens, you stake them, and 35% of that frenzy that people gonna be bidding on will be going to the stakers. Again, this is scale based on the totals. So the more you got in, the more than 35% you're gonna get. You know what I'm saying? Now hey, I don't know what to tell you, man. This thing is just, it's almost too good to be true, man. Almost too good to be true, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what to tell you, man. Tonight, first things first. We worry about all that staking and auction when it launch. You gotta get your bid tokens first. Tonight, 10 o'clock, get your tokens, man. The bid tokens is what it is. Tonight, 10 o'clock. Now, I'd be remiss if I ain't tell you now. This still crypto, bro. This is still crypto. You know what I'm saying? So this thing has the opportunity to change your financial life. But it also has the opportunity to run off with your money. You know what I'm saying? Like I just got to keep it real now. Look, I'm in it all the way, 100. I'm going. So it ain't gonna be what it's gonna be. But I got to let some people, some people gotta let them know now. It's still crypto at the end of the day. So that's 10 o'clock tonight, man. We're gonna keep it moving, bro. Hey, let me tell you something, bro. I made more money in the past 24 to 48 hours than I have my whole crypto life. And if you're in the Telegram, you probably have to. Like, man, last night, yesterday was something bad. It was something. It was crypto fireworks, man. Like, for real. For me, BZ, man, I call this about a week ago. This thing was at like 92 cents. Man, I've been riding this thing up all the way. I'm still holding all the way. It just don't go down. Look at this thing, man. This is a free game now. You need to send the buddy some donation. I shouldn't be showing you this. You understand me? It just doesn't go down, bro. Look at it. It take little dips. Ain't no telling what this thing gonna start. It's a real bona fide project. YouTube it. You're gonna be like, damn, I ain't never heard. See, people don't know about these things till they get up to 15, 16, $20. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing it to you now. Well, showing it to you, but in my Telegram, they've been new. Anyway, the real explosions happened with the YF, man. Anything YF was on fire. Like I can't. That's the only way I'm telling you, man. For real, we was watching this. We was catching this stuff like down here, bro. It was like is it gonna get the three? Like right here it was at 218. Is it gonna get the three? Boom. Is it gonna get the four? Boom. Is it gonna get the five? But this thing, man, are you kidding me, bro? Like this is ridiculous. This is one. This is why I've link. This is one why I've link. The boss of all bosses, Yearn Finance. Now, admittedly, a lot of people wasn't in this. I call this at 1700. If you go to my Telegram and scroll back, I posted this. I was like, man, we gotta take a nibble. I bought like two at 1700. And people were like, it's too high. It isn't. I'm trying to tell you what I know, man. See, people really, Trayvon don't do dot finance. He never got in the urine. I'm trying to tell you, man, you got to be ahead of the curve. It's some stuff now that I don't even talk about that's ahead of the curve. People not ready for ahead of the curve. I'm ahead of the curve. Everybody always talking about they back here, but they really not. They lying to you. Yeah, I like to buy back here. I like to buy back here. I want to shut up. You're lying. But anyway, last night, man, look at this thing. I ain't even got to tell you. You already know. If you, I mean, on a little pullback now, you go get some. I ain't telling you what to do. I'm good. I've been in the 1700. I've been selling the whole way up, bro. And let's see what else we got going on. What value? Most people got in on this. For some reason, this is the one that most people like. I don't know why, but they just love, YF value. You know what I'm saying? I got in on it too. Yeah, if it had, I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you some more together. If it had YF, bro, I was clicking that confirm button early. I didn't care what it was, bro. You know what I'm saying? We was on this thing. You know what I mean? I'm talking about they were posting it back here. 14, 15. It's that kind of high. That thing was just move. Money, 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 money. That thing crazy, man. Boy, we was eating last night, bro. We was eating. What else we got? YFF. I said a lot of stuff y'all ain't ever heard of, man. But you just don't understand. Sometimes you gotta risk to get the biscuit, baby. Now see, I look, I ain't none of these people that be lying. I got in back here. I get in back here. No, hell you don't. Stop all that lying, man. I got in under 40, so I got in like right along in here. I rolled it up. I didn't catch. I guess it got to 125. I was way out 40. I think I got that around about here. I know I didn't catch 100. So it's probably a quick little double up. But this thing is volatile. But it's still cranking. It's at 56 now. And that's 105%. Man, I don't know what to take. Crypto is just it's awesome, man. It's just awesome. I ain't even got to my regular stuff. My Tron, my T2X. Look at that. I gotta collect my boy. Last night was awesome, bro. Oh man, I'm sending the money over to my Coinbase right now. For why? You know how I do. You know how I do. I show it all the time. Few $1,000 going in that bank account, baby. I don't know who you listen to, but you ain't making no money. You better click that subscribe. But you better get in that telegram, really. I gotta collect these, man. That's what, 18, 19. That's 20,000 Tron right now. I gotta collect. That's 20,000 Tron right now. I just gonna hit the collect button. You know what I'm saying? Tron chain. That's another. And this thing is over 100 million. I told you that. Go back and look at my video. When it was at like 16 million. So, bro, this thing gonna hit over 100 million. Going all in and get, man, y'all won't listen. Let's see, some of y'all did. I ain't gonna lie. I got another 18,000 to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? That's almost 40,000 Tron right there. I ain't even showed you my other accounts. I don't know. I mean, I'm just showing you what's possible in crypto, man. That's all I can do. You know what I'm saying? I've been harping the same thing. T2X, Tron chain. T2X, Tron chain. I ain't even showed you my Ether link. Let me see. Let me see. Dang, I said Ether link. I mean Ether chain. Let me see. Boy, I got something going on in this stuff like that. How much I got to pull out? I got another ETH to pull out here. 1.1 ETH. ETH what? 420 now? Another 1.1 ETH I can pull out. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, who are you following, man? I know I keep saying that, but I hate to see people losing crypto, man. I really do. I really do, man. That's why I be wondering, like, bruh, come on, let's make this money, man. But anyway, tonight, another chance to make some money, DeFi bids. You know what I'm saying? Be careful. Don't go over too much, you know what I'm saying? Don't go over too little. I know you're like, what you want me to do, man? I don't know what your stack looking like. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it's crypto. Don't forget. So could boom, could bust. Let's have fun. 10 o'clock, DeFi bids. I'm gonna remind you later on. Come in the Telegram. Oh, let me tell you, but man, so much going on. Chips, they're launching anytime now. I guess they try to do the surprise launch thing. You see it? It's coming at any. I'm talking about by the time the video started, probably be up. They say it 15 minutes. That was about 15 minutes ago. So at any time, this thing could just and it be up, dice up. You know what I'm saying? So link in the description, man. Be ready, man. Let's get this money, man. Like I keep saying, I'm just so excited. I can't contain my excitement, bro. I've never made this much money than I did last night. I woke up this morning, like I refreshed my trust wallet. I was in awe, bro. I was in absolute awe. Cannot be real, bro. This is crazy. This is ridiculous, man. Look at these. This is what you need to pay attention to, right? Look at this. This is what you need to pay attention to. Look at this, man. It's ridiculous, bro. And it's down from last night. But anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy, man.